Good day, everyone. Good to see you again today. Today, we'll be looking at shapes like we've been talking about. Now, you can tell me, look at this with me. What kind of shape do I have with me? Wow, square. Yeah, we're told that a square is a polygon which has four equal sides with an angle 90 degrees. It's a square and it has four equal sides. And here with me, I have this is a rectangle. Yes, a rectangle. You can see a rectangle has two equal sides. The opposite sides are equal. Here, this is the length, and this is the length. These two sides are equal sides. Why? This is the breadth, and this is the breadth. The two sides here are equal. Now, take a look at this. When I have these two shapes joined together, now, if I have these two shapes together, it's going to give me an irregular shape. It is called irregular shape. When we have the square standing on its own and the rectangle standing on its own, it was known as regular shape. But today we are looking at irregular shape. When you have those two together, these two here, now combining the two shapes together gives us irregular shapes. And that takes us to the board. Now here, this is what I'm talking about. This is an irregular shape. If you look at this irregular shape, you can see that we have two shapes right there in an irregular shape. This is the first one here, and that's why we're having the A, and we are having this B. It's known as shape A and the shape B. Now you can tell me, what is that shape A? What does it look like? What does that shape A look like? Now, it's a square, like I told you. And we said a square has four equal sides. Now, the shape B, you can tell me, what shape do I have for shape B? It's a rectangle, a rectangle. Don't forget, a rectangle has two sides equal. It has two sides equal. Now, let's quickly go through this. Here, we are given that the breadth here, it's known as 9 centimeter. The 9 centimeter. But here, we are given the length here as 10 centimeter. And we are given here that the length from this point to this point is 5 centimeter. Knowing fully well, we're not given the size here, the size here. Now we need to find the unknown. These are the known, and we have to find the unknown from the known. Now, the first thing we need to do, bring out the shape. Shape A is a square. That's a square. That's the shape A. And the other one, which is the shape B, that's the rectangle. And we're told from this side of this shape, it's 5 centimeter. We have the 5 centimeter. Now, all we need to do, since we were given that this part is 5 centimeter and this is the rectangle, we want to separate the rectangle from the square. And since we are given that from here to this point, since we said they are equal sides, here and here is 5 centimeter. So all we need to do is to subtract the 5 centimeter from the 9 centimeter to get the length for the square. The length and the breadth for the square. Now, let's move on. The first thing you need to do, just the 9 centimeter, take away the 5 centimeter. And this will give us 4 centimeter. That is, from this point to this point, will give us the 4 centimeter, and this is what we have here. Remember that a square is a polygon which has 4 equal sides. And now you have been given one side of a square, it's 4 centimeter. You should know that all the sides are 4 centimeters since it's an equal, is an equal side shape. Now, so the length and the length, a side of a square is measured by length and length. It does not have a length or a breadth. It is length. So this side also will give us the 4 centimeter. And that will bring us down here. From this point to this point, since we are told that a square is 4 centimeters, and we were given that the length of this rectangle here is 10 centimeters. So if you subtract this 4 centimeters from the 10, that's 10 centimeters. Take away the 4 centimeters, and that will give us 6 centimeters. That means from this point to this point is 6 centimeters. But if I should add the 6 centimeters to the 4 centimeters here, that will give me the 10. It will give me the 10 centimeters, which I have here. And that's the reason why we have the 10 centimeters here, and here we have the 5 centimeters. And that's what you have to do first before you move to your workings or to find out the solution. Now, since we've been told that this is 4, remember that whenever you're looking for the formula of a square, an area of a square, it is length times the length. Now, knowing fully well that the length here is 4 centimeters. So all we need to do is 4 centimeters times the 4 centimeters. This will give us 16 centimeters square. And here, what's the formula for finding the area of a rectangle? The formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length times the breadth. Length times the breadth. Now, since I have length times the breadth there, this is the length. 10 centimeters is the length. This is the length, and this is the breadth. So 10 centimeters is the length. So I just go 10 centimeters times the breadth. What is the breadth? The breadth is 5 centimeters, and that is 5 centimeters. The 10 centimeters times the 5 centimeters will give us 50 centimeters square. Now, for shape A, I have the total answer of 16 centimeters square, and for shape B, which is the rectangle, I have 50 centimeters square. Now, the next thing we need to do here is to sum up. The area of the shape A and the area of the shape B together. And that will give us the area of that irregular shape. To give us the area of irregular shape. Now, since the shape A gives us 16 centimeters, you write shape A, 16 centimeters square, and the shape B gave us 50 centimeters square. Remember I said after you solve the shape A and B, you sum the two together. 6 plus 0 is 6, and the 1 plus 5 is 6. And you bring down the centimeters square. So the area of this irregular shape here, the area of this irregular shape is 66 centimeters square. You can see that the area of an irregular shape is pretty easy. And you can always do this all by yourself. Check through your planner and go through it again, and I wish you all the best. See you soon, and ensure you stay safe.